Hello viewer, I want to advise you that the video you're about to watch is complete jank. This video was disorganized in all of its creation, and so the quality of the audio throughout the whole duration of the video is shitty. I tried to compensate in post-production with noise reduction, and the audio is still somewhat audible. But without further ado, I'll let you watch the video. Guys, I gotta show you something. This. Oh, it doesn't even fit. How do I... Alright, we might need a change of setup. Okay, this is a little unconventional, but it's gonna do. Let's not. Oh, it still doesn't fit. Okay. So, what is this? I got this thing off of eBay for 400 euros. I hope it's worth it. No, I am cutting the cardboard. What the hell, dude? This video is a nightmare. Or very. But let's see what's in here. I need to open this. Oh, it's another box. Let's throw this out of the way. Alright, you might be getting some hints. Okay, so how do I open it again? I am so scared right now. Okay. Okay. This is so scary. Oh yes. Oh, this is... Oh fuck, yes. Oh no! The box is damaged. Alright, anyway. Okay. It's time to open up. It was already opened, but that was on the description, so it's not a problem. Well, let's do this. Oh, this feels so premium. Man, this is scary. It is scary as hell. Let's open it up. Alright. Asus giving us what? How do I open this? Oh, right, like that. And this is a card. I don't know for what, but it closed. No, but it's like colorful. All right. Anyway, now we have. Is this a sticker? Well, okay. Then our manual, and then what? Thank you for sending me one. Like, it wasn't them, they didn't send it to me. But like, speed setup. Okay, this is kinda useful. And last but not... No, it was the last. Let's put this away. Oh boy, this is scarily scary. How do I... What is this? Alright, let's not break everything. Ooh, it's heavy. Well, what was I expecting? Dude, this is massive. And it's heavy as hell. Well, let's get this out of the way for now. Like my 4060 doesn't weigh that much. Woo! It's a little dusty, but oh boy, how many PCIe connectors? You use 12 slots. I don't even know if my PSU can handle all that. Anyway, let's get this out of the way. Was there anything else here? A couple clips. And what the hell is this? It's like a compass. A ruler? It does have some coordinates, but I don't know what this is. Alright. Oh, focus. This is fucking cool. This is very cool. This thing is heavy. Also, it seems to have 2 HDMIs and 3 display ports. Which I mean, is kind of cool because I really think DisplayPort is underrated. And I really discovered it last year when I bought my 4060. Because earlier I didn't even know what that was. Gentlemen, I fucked up. The thing is, my power supply only has 2 PCIe connectors and this graphic card needs 3. Oh boy, how can I solve this? Okay, let's not judge the setup here because it's janky as hell, but we got another problem, folks. It doesn't fit. It's however, this piece right here, it seems very removable, like it's very riveted, but it's just added on top of everything else. It doesn't seem to be screwed. You see, it seems very removable, like without even causing that much irreparable harm. So I actually unscrewed the whole thing. And we might just now be ready for some irreparable damage. Okay, so now the problem is right here. Yeah, they're under the drive bay, so it's either we remove all of the discs or we can't drill. Well, lucky me, I have a screwdriver. Okay. Cosa sì, devi.
No, che rovini il coso lì.
Purtroppo va così. È bellino!
Cazzo,
Ho finalmente qualcosa che si illumina sul mio... got a power supply. It doesn't really seem to have a defined opening. I guess we'll start from here. Oh yes. This thing is heavy. Well, after careful consideration, I discovered it does open like this. Oh, we got a manual. Well, we don't need this. A power cable. This is nice. Oh, and our cables, zip ties, a power supply. This thing is hella cool. Let's see if it does fit. We gotta intake our air from underneath. It does seem to be okay with our ATX case. I love when things work. Alright. No, this is not good. But it's a little bit moved this way. Maybe placing it upright will use its own weight to balance everything, I guess. Oh, that is really much suffering, but it's gonna do. And now for our cables. This thing is full. Alright.
Ah! My goodness!
Alright, well, we should be set for some serious gaming now. Okay, it's time. Please, just work. Okay. It did the beep. It was a little scary. It wasn't sharp as always. Oh, come on. We aren't getting video. Update. I was wrong. We are getting video. I was just on the wrong input. And the fan is spinning like crazy. Okay, well, we'll fix that later. Anyway, why aren't we getting video here? Maybe it's the driver. We'll work from here. Oh, okay, nice. We got video. We did it! Well, it seems to work.
Okay, so we're now gonna go test it on the most demanding game humanity has ever created. Haha. Wait. Let me, I think it should be set to the highest settings.
Scialuppa Marcotte, unità medica attivata. Occupante, fuciliere della milizia Jack Cooper.
I mean, it works. I should probably activate the overlay. I'm not good at this game anymore. And hey, look at that.
You don't want to be like this.
So yeah, basically this is pretty much everything I have to say. I set up some lightning, which is not working right now. Yeah, this is pretty much everything I have to say about it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and for the rest, well, see ya.